Take this opportunity to invest meaningfully in your leadership journey so you may continue to serve as catalyst of transformation within our educational system. Thank you, and may this training be a truly enriching and empowering experience for all. Malaos ko po, Katie.
So, very important po na nag-a-assess tayo ng needs every now and then. Pag na-meet na yun, next step na naman. Pag susunod na naman. Hanggang sa na-meet na lahat ng needs. How do you mobilize people? Maraming magagaling dito sa mga school heads. Maraming magagaling. Mag-resource mobilization.
At Marisol Bliss Elementary School, reading is more than just a subject. It's a gateway to learning, imagination, and growth. Literacy and faith, also known as the Thursday class, is more than just an educational project. It is a mission of solidarity and service, grounded in the spirit of similarity, the shared journey as the people of God. Its goal? To help grade 5 students who struggle with reading, to give young volunteers the chance to teach, guide, and mentor, to live out the church call to show time, talent, and compassion, and to bring children closer to Christ through stories, reading, and reflection. In Angeles City, a unique partnership is making a difference. At Marisol Bliss Elementary School, volunteer teachers from the Angeles University Integrated School led a specialized numeracy program, helping students and even parents build math skills, gain confidence, and discover that numbers can be both useful and fun. Alongside the lessons, a feeding program ensures that every learner has the vision and energy to learn and thrive. But that's not all. The Angeles University Foundation College of Education is also making an impact, providing complete school supplies for every learner. Leading a sports clinic that builds teamwork, discipline, and confidence, and running a reading intervention program, turning struggling readers into confident ones, and sparking a lifelong love for books. Meanwhile, the Angeles University Foundation College of Engineering, ICT literacy program is introducing young learners to essential digital skills, empowering them to navigate technology safely and effectively in an increasingly connected world. 5 programs, 1 mission, to empower young minds and bodies to shape brighter futures and to prove that when schools and communities work together, learning goes beyond the classroom and into the hearts of the children they serve. Our school is proud to support the Department of Education's adult program in line with our commitment to provide every learner with opportunities for academic growth, individual support, and holistic development. The implementation of the adult program at Marisol Ruiz Elementary School will be more effective and successful through the continued support of our stakeholders.
Sa pagsisimula ng programa, pinangunahan ni Ma'am Ana Marie Carmen M. Romero, SEPS ng SDO Angeles City ang pagdarasal ng pag-awit ng lupang hinirang ng Northwood 15 Integrated School Choral Group. Malugod na tinanggap ang mga panauhin ni Sir Ray Jason C. Sanguyo, punong guro ng Northwood 15 Integrated School. Nagbigay ng mensahe si Atty. Agnes de Vanadera, President